$4, 127 in 31 days using Claude AI to run 3 faceless YouTube channels. Last month I made $4, 127 running 3 faceless YouTube channels, and the only tool I used to create every single video was Claude AI. No video editing skills, no expensive software subscriptions, just specific prompts that took me about 47 minutes per day to manage all 3 channels. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact Claude prompts I used for niche research, script writing, and thumbnail concepts, plus the daily workflow that actually works. Fair warning, one of my 3 channels completely flopped, and I'll show you exactly why so you don't make the same mistake. This isn't passive income. It took me 47 minutes every single day, but the process is repeatable, and I'm going to walk through every step. Step 1. Niche selection. Here's where I screwed up with channel 3, and where I got it right with channels 1 and 2. I tested 3 niches: personal finance for millennials, AI productivity tools, and budget travel hacks. The travel channel tanked. I'll explain why in a minute. The first thing I did was use Claude to validate niche ideas. Here's the exact prompt. I'm researching YouTube niches for faceless channels. For each niche I provide, analyze: 1. Average RPM rates based on advertiser demand, 2. Content saturation level, 3. Evergreen potential versus trending topics, 4. Difficulty of content creation without showing face, 5. Likelihood of monetization approval. Niche to analyze. Claude came back with detailed analysis for each niche. For personal finance, it flagged high RPM rates, $8 to $25, because financial advertisers pay well. For AI tools, it noted growing demand but warned about fast, changing information. For travel, it warned about lower RPMs and high competition. I ignored the travel warning. That was my mistake. The RPM on that channel averaged $3. 20 versus $12. 40 on personal finance and $9. 80 on AI tools. Step 2. Finding specific sub-niches. Generic niches are too competitive. I needed specific angles. I went back to Claude with this prompt: based on the niche, generate 10 specific sub-niche angles that have these characteristics. 1. Specific enough to rank for search. 2. Broad enough for 100+ video ideas. 3. Underserved based on current YouTube content. Format as a numbered list with brief explanation of why each is viable. For personal finance, Claude suggested things like debt payoff strategies for student loans under $50,000 and credit score improvement for first-time renters. For AI tools, it suggested Claude AI workflows for specific professions and ChatGPT alternatives for privacy-focused users. I picked one sub-niche per channel and committed to it for 30 days. No jumping around. Step 3. Video topic generation. Once I had my sub-niche, I needed 30 days of video topics. Here's the prompt that generated my entire content calendar. I run a faceless YouTube channel in this sub-niche. Generate 30 video title ideas that 1. Include specific numbers or time frames, 2. Target search intent with clear pain points, 3. Are 60 characters or less, 4. Avoid clickbait while remaining compelling. Format as a numbered list. After the list, explain why each title structure works for YouTube search. Claude gave me titles like How I Paid Off $32,000 in student loans in 18 months and 5 Claude AI prompts that save me 12 hours weekly. These are specific, searchable, and promise clear value. I took all 30 titles and dropped them into a spreadsheet with a column for date to post. Step 4. Script generation. Most people ask Claude to write a YouTube script about X and get generic garbage. The secret is formatting your prompt with the exact structure you want. Here's my script prompt. This is the most important one. Write a 500-word YouTube script for this video title. Use this structure. 1. Hook. Start with the specific result or promise, no fluff. 2. Preview. Tell them what they'll learn and set realistic expectations. 3. Main content. Break into 4-5 clearly labeled sections with specific steps, tools, or examples. Include transition phrases between sections. 4. Conclusion. Recap the main points in one sentence, then CTA to subscribe. Write in a conversational tone. Use you and I. Avoid hype words like amazing or incredible. Include suggestions for visuals every 30-40 seconds. The scripts Claude produces with this prompt are 80% ready to use. I spend about 10 minutes editing each one, adding personal touches, fixing awkward phrases, making sure the flow works. Step 5. Thumbnail concepts. I don't design thumbnails myself. I use Canva templates, but I need to know what the thumbnail should communicate. Here's my thumbnail prompt. For this YouTube video title, suggest 3th